I've just harvested a couple of spring onions from garden as well, but I just want the tops off these. So I'm just going to take those away, save for another day. Then we'll just bunch those up and we'll cut them quite fine. That amount's going to be plenty. We'll just pop those to one side. I've also got a bit of fresh parsley. I'm just taking those stalks, front bottom. I just want the tops of these plants. And I'm just going to roughly chop this as well. And again, we'll pop that to one side as well. And then we'll use some of this Florence red onion. Just take that outer skin off. You can see what amazing looking onions these are. So we'll cut that into strips and then we'll go back through it so we get nice fine pieces. And we'll pop that to one side as well. I want a bit of carrot as well, but I want it to be chopped really fine. These are the ones that we harvested from garden quite recent. So I'm going to put them into their hole and then we'll blend them. Or you could just chop them up fine if you want to. But I'm looking for something like that. And that's perfect. Really nice, finely chopped fresh carrot. And then of course, star at show is the red cabbage. I'm going to take off these outer leaves. We'll put those in compost at some point today. And we'll take that root end off as well. And then I'm just going to split it. And you can see we've got some really nice, amazing colour in there, but we want to get rid of that bit. And I think we'll only need half of this. So I'm just going to cut right through that and then peel that away. So we'll just cut that down the middle. Then I'm going to chop that really finely. So I'm going to go through it just like you would an onion. And then again. Now we'll put this coleslaw together. So we'll make it in a bowl and I'll pop that red cabbage straight in first. And then all we need to do is add everything else. So that parsley goes in, followed by that carrot. Look at all that amazing colour. That chopped onion. And then those green onion tops. Then we just mix it all together. And to think this all came from homegrown produce. Now we need a bit of a dressing, so mayonnaise. Add this to what you want, everybody's different. Then we want a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. A little salt, not too much, and then some black pepper. And I'll give that a bit of a mix. Just get everything nicely combined. And And then we'll just add those two together. Then we'll get that all combined. And it's only a light dressing this, but you add as much as you want. But give it a good mix, everything is going to get a bit of a coating. And that's your homemade red cabbage coleslaw. Beautiful.